On every job site, safety comes first. But even with the best precautions, incidents and near misses still happen. In fact, studies show that for every serious injury, there are roughly 30 minor injuries and 300 near misses. Near misses are warning signs. They are unplanned events that could have caused serious harm, but didn't this time. The National Safety Council estimates that up to 75% of all accidents are preceded by one or more near misses. So, reporting near misses is vital to preventing potential future accidents. Even minor injuries or property damage needs to be reported right away. OSHA reports that bone, muscle, and back injuries, many from minor incidents, make up over 30% of workplace injuries each year. Reporting is simple. First, ensure the safety of all workers in the area. Then, immediately notify your supervisor of the incident and/or near miss. Afterwards, fill out a written report with as much pertinent detail as possible. The sooner the report is made, the sooner the hazard can be fixed. Remember, it's not about blame, it's about prevention. Reporting helps protect everyone and keeps us all on the job. Check with your supervisor to find out about your company's reporting process. If you see it, report it. Your action today could save someone tomorrow.